Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making lemon bars with that delicious shortbread crust and the zesty kind of sour but plenty sweet custard lemon filling over the top, and then that dusting of powdered sugar. And I'm going to use a recipe from the Pioneer Woman and we'll see how that goes. So let's get started. Okay, so I have cut up the butter, put it in this bowl over here. Next, I'm gonna get on to measuring the flour and the sugar. So this is going to actually make the crust. So that's what the butter is for. So we're gonna add some flour, some sugar, some salt in there, the whole shebang. Seriously, zesting lemons takes so long. 2 more to go. So I'm just gonna pour the zest into the food processor with the sugar, and this is for the filling. So here I have a baking pan, a 9x13. I just sprayed it with some cooking oil, and then I cut a piece of parchment paper to fit the pan. That'll help the lemon bars first off not get burnt on the bottom, but also it'll help them come out super easy. Okay, so now I have the crust all pressed into the pan. I did it pretty nice and tightly. I did use a measuring cup to kind of smash it down a little bit better. So I'm going to put this in the oven for 20 minutes while I work on the filling. I'm gonna set my timer for 20 minutes. So you do kind of want to watch it just to make sure that it doesn't get too brown. Ovens can vary, so you just want a golden brown. So there's actually still 4 minutes left on the timer, but I checked and the edges are looking pretty golden, and I don't want that to get overdone, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pull this out.